Hello, champs. Today on Think Mathic, we are mastering fractions the simple way. Fraction help us to understand parts of a whole, like pizza or chocolate. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly what they mean and how to spot every type. Let's get started. What is fraction? So, a fraction means a part of a whole. Look at the circle. It is divided into four equal parts. If we take out this one part, we write it as 1 by 4. The top number is the numerator. It tells us how many parts we take. The bottom number is the denominator and it tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. There are different types of fractions. Today, we will learn proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and unit fraction. Don't worry, they're very easy. Let's start with the proper fraction. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is called as a proper fraction. For example, 3 by 5. It is less than 1 whole. Now, an improper fraction, when the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is called as improper fraction. For example, 7 by 4. It is more than 1 whole. Next is a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a fraction together. That means 1 whole and 3 parts out of 4. This is called a mixed fraction. Now, let's learn the like and the unlike fraction. When fractions have the same denominator, they are called as the like fraction. When the fractions are having the different denominators, they are called as the unlike fractions. For example, 3 by 5 and 4 by 9. Finally, a unit fraction. When the numerator is 1, it is called as a unit fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. A unit fraction shows one equal part of a whole. Great job! Today, we learned fractions and their types. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Think Mathic. See you in the next lesson.